¿Cómo te llamas tú? ¿De dónde eres tú? ¿Dónde vives tú? Welcome back. So today we're going to learn a few of the questions we already seen before, but now we're going to talk about them in the informal way, right? So previously we studied ¿de dónde es usted? ¿Dónde vive usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted? Right? I kind of said them not in order, not in the same order that we've studied them before, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of a difference, right? So instead of ¿cómo se llama usted? You say, ¿Cómo te llamas tú? Right? ¿Cómo te llamas tú? And now, do you remember what the answer was for that? Come on, I'm pretty sure you remember it. Yes, that's right. Me llamo, and then your name. Right, so the next question would be, ¿De dónde eres tú? Right? So that would be the informal way of saying the same question we were asking before. ¿De dónde es usted? Right? So remember when somebody asks, ¿De dónde es usted? What do you answer? You answer, that's right. Yo soy de Estados Unidos. Right? And then finally, when somebody asks, ¿Dónde vives tú? That's the informal way of saying, ¿Dónde vive usted? Right? So remember what the answer was for that one? Yes, that's right. Yo vivo in Charleston, Texas, San Francisco, whatever it is that you live in. Okay, so let's review one more time. So my first question would be, ¿Cómo te llamas tú? Right? My second question would be, ¿De dónde eres tú? And then my third question would be, ¿Dónde vives tú? Right? So let's say it one more time. ¿Cómo te llamas tú? ¿De dónde eres tú? ¿Dónde vives tú? Very good. I'm just making sweet and short so you can kind of practice. And those questions, right, just like the previous that we studied, are the informal way of asking the same questions we were asking before using tú instead of usted. Now, be on the look because I'll have another video where I'm going to be explaining what's the difference between tú and usted. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope you're having a great day and hasta pronto.